This is actually pretty interesting. Sugar. Now, I'm not recommending people to sit there and
Diabetics,
have 6 spoons of sugar.
Dr. Javawi said I can eat all the sugar I want.
Absolutely not. Sugar, if you were to apply a little bit like on your tongue and kind of let it dissolve, it actually stimulates the vagus nerve. When you stimulate the vagus nerve, that'll put you in a parasympathetic state, which goes into the diaphragm ultimately and relaxes the diaphragm, which ultimately stops your hiccups. So
like hiccups, everyone's always wondering.
Yes.
You know what? I ate a hot pepper the other day, and I had hiccups really bad, and I did put some sugar on my tongue, and it went away.
Yeah, it